Did you know there's an engineering field that impacts nearly every aspect of your daily life? We're here with UF's Chemical Engineering Department to learn more. Vijay, tell us more about who you are and what you do.
My name is Vijay Toko. I'm a lecturer in the Department of Chemical Engineering, and I teach several courses in our core curriculum, including material energy balances, chemical process safety, and process design.
Tell us more about chemical engineering. What really is it?
Chemical engineering is a very broad discipline, and broadly what we do is we produce products that are made by chemical or biochemical means.
When you think about that, it ends up being almost everything you can think of.
That's exactly right. It's a lot harder to think of things that aren't made by chemical engineers than it is to think of things that are.
How much chemistry really goes into chemical engineering?
So this is a question I get all the time, and chemistry knowledge is certainly important for the purposes of designing a process, but not as much as you might think. So while chemistry focuses on the pursuit of new knowledge, chemical engineering takes that new knowledge and scales it up to make a much larger process.
Tell us more about your capstone class.
The capstone course is the last class that students take before they graduate, and it's designed to incorporate all the core principles that they learn about throughout the rest of the curriculum into one final design experience. In this class, students work in teams of 5 to produce a chemical at a given flow rate and concentration. Projects for this semester include acetone, isopropyl alcohol, propranolol, and acetaminophen. So for example, one of the process design teams this semester is producing propranolol, which is interesting because that's a medication that one of the team members takes every day. And working on something that has an impact in their daily lives motivates them to learn more about the process and to dig deeper. This class teaches them project management skills and communication abilities. It also teaches them how to take an open-ended prompt and to deliver something that meets all the criteria. I teach chemical engineering is not to solve the problems of yesterday, but the problems of tomorrow.